there's the top of the Izoard there. And if we pan across, you can see down there where we're heading to. Guy on the motorbike's coming. Refuge Napoleon. Some fantastic switchbacks. There's one also on the Galibiate, so I don't know where they call it Refuge Napoleon. I always thought it was just the one, but obviously not. 1858. Very nice. Just the bike lane. Yeah. We're in Briancon, and I think Mick would recognise this roundabout. We just had an apartment just a little bit behind us in 2001. Sorry about that. It's actually 7 hours left, but I thought I was. That's the fortress, and that's the old Briancon right there. And that's the fortress up there. Right, that's that nice bridge down there. That's the actual fortress, and there's the other fortress way over there, up on the mountain. We're on the way to the Colle Del Agnello. We've left Briancon, and even this one's got some pretty nifty switchbacks and gradients in it. Sign over there. We pan across. We've just arrived in Montgenèvre. See the way the flowers are up the pole. There's a chairlift over there. That's the Ginevra, that's the Montgenèvre area that I remember, like that sort of building. It's all rigged up for winter. Oh, look at that beautiful building there. Rigged for winter tourism. Got a bit of cloud up there, it's see, but schmicko looking hotel there in the distance, and they're building more by the looks of things. Look at it, there's more of that chairlift. Look at this one's going right past us. Sestriere. Palazzo Olimpico. staying in the Olympic Village. Even more chairlifts. Gondolas. Ooh, nice view. That's where we're staying, the Village Olimpica. Looks very well set up, and pretty popular too.